Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back with another video here. So today I'm going you to provide the solution of this question number 13 from book Spreadsheet Modeling and Decision Analysis. So here in this question, the Woodwacker Company manufactures two types of lawn trimmers. So here they have provided a table for electric and gas and hours available. These are all are the categories. Then we have three parts covered in this question. First is the formulation of an LP model, then the spreadsheet model creation using Excel solver, and then third one is the optimal solution. So this one is our Excel solution using solver. So I solved it. So this one is the part A, problem formulation. This one is our part B, spreadsheet model, and then this one is the optimal solution. And this one is our answer report, and this one is our sensitivity report for solver. So I hope you like this video and you enjoyed this video. So to get this Excel file, you can just reach me out over my WhatsApp and email as well. So both of the contact details I am sharing in the description part of this video. And thank you for watching this video and have a good day. Take care. Bye.